If you're searching for custom manufacturing ERP software, chances are your business doesn't fit neatly into the standard manufacturing boxes. Maybe every order is different, maybe engineering is involved before production even starts, or maybe your biggest challenge isn't selling, it's keeping jobs profitable, on schedule, and under control. In this video, we'll break down what defines custom manufacturing, what ERP capabilities matter in this environment, and how to choose the right system. Let's dive in. What makes custom manufacturing different? Custom manufacturers operate differently from high volume or repetitive production shops. Most custom manufacturing environments deal with engineer to order or make to order workflows, frequent design changes mid-job, deep and evolving bills of materials, job-based costing and margin pressure, long lead times and high work in progress exposure, projects that span weeks or months, and more. In other words, ERP isn't just a transactional system, it's the backbone that connects engineering, production, purchasing, and finance in real time. That's why many custom manufacturers outgrow entry-level ERP systems quickly. Why generic ERP falls short for custom manufacturing. Many ERP platforms are optimized for predictable, repeatable processes. That works well for high-volume manufacturing, but it breaks down in custom environments. Common issues we see when custom manufacturers use the wrong ERP include job costs that aren't visible until after completion, engineering changes that don't sync cleanly to production, scheduling tools that can't adapt to real-world disruptions, manual workarounds for quoting, BOM updates, or routing changes, limited visibility into work in progress and true job profitability, and more. When ERP can't flex with the business, teams end up managing complexity outside the system, usually in spreadsheets, which defeats the purpose entirely. Spotlight on Visibility ERP, built for custom manufacturing. Today's sponsor, Visibility ERP, is commonly evaluated by custom manufacturers because it's designed around job-based, project-centric production rather than repetitive manufacturing. From an analyst perspective, Visibility ERP is often shortlisted by organizations that need strong job costing and project accounting, support for engineer to order, make to order, and configure to order workflows, deep BOM and routing management, real-time production and work in progress visibility, flexible deployment options, i.e. cloud, on-prem, or hybrid, and more. Visibility tends to resonate with manufacturers that have outgrown spreadsheets or lightweight ERP systems, but don't want the rigidity or cost of tier 1 enterprise platforms. It's not designed for simple assembly lines, but for complex variable production. If your production is highly repetitive or inventory driven, a simpler manufacturing ERP may be sufficient. But if you're a two-order manufacturer where variability is the norm and ERP depth matter, Visibility is worth a serious look. To schedule a demo with them directly and compare more ERP platforms side by side, check out the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.